just to relax and get into the vagus nerve tone and lowering like our heart rate pressure. Is like you breathe in, and then when you're breathing in, like prana, which is a life force. So you can always visualize that my body is getting energized with all this oxygen and all. And then you can just hold that. So when you're doing that double exhalation, you're like kind of releasing, like everything which is unwanted. So you can like little bit play around with that, and we'll do 3 rounds. So we breathe in deep. So you can relax, your spine is erect, okay, and you're just comfortable. Your palms are facing upwards if you can. Chin is parallel to the ground, and you're now breathing in. And as you breathe in, your stomach will be coming out because that's how your lung expand. Hold your breath and then just do double exhalation. We'll do the second round. Breathe in, hold, exhalation. And final round, do by yourself. Now just relax and let go of all mental burdens and let the love, light, and peace of God flow through you. Let the thoughts go in the background. Don't create a thought, run after a thought, or engage into any kind of mental musings. Just focus on your breathing. And if you wish, when you're breathing in, you can chant in your mind, so. And when you're breathing out, you can chant in your mind, hum. So when you breathe in, so. And then you breathe out, hum. So that way your mind gets some occupation. And then it also helps you to improve your focus and concentration, and you can get absorbed in this mantra if you wish. Or you can simply observe your breathing in and out. If any thoughts bother you, gently and lovingly bring your mind back to breathing. No reaction, no irritation or agitation. Simply loving yourself and being kind to yourself. Breathe in and breathe out. Just observe this beautiful process of breathing. There is no need to do any deliberate breathing, just observing the natural process which your body is undertaking. Just become an observer of this process. Now, as you're relaxing, I want you to visualize your most beautiful place where you feel at ease, whether it is by the lake or the ocean, anywhere, or a beautiful garden, outdoors where you're sitting on a bench and there is a full moon night, where there is beautiful soft rays of the moon shining over your face, and as if you're bathing in this rays, and those rays are flowing and energizing your all body. And just you can visualize these rays entering from the top of your head and flowing throughout your body, energizing you, healing you, making your heart very strong, your pumping of the heart muscles extremely efficient, taking away and melting away all the unwanted fats. And then all the negativity and unwanted stuff from your life is actually absorbed by this light, and then it just passes out through your feet. It's like a complete cleanse going on. You're very happy in this beautiful place, your sanctuary, your peaceful place, and just soak in this beautiful white light which is energizing and healing you. You can always visualize the best version of yourself. How would you like to be? How would you look? What would be your weight? How would you be living your life? This is a good time to create. Everything is created twice. Like how you're an architect, you create first in your mind, then on the paper, and then you actually built it. Same ways of with our life. You create in your mind what version of yourself you wish to be and keep on visualizing it. The more you will visualize it and feel it with emotions as if it is really happening, it will become yours. Now you're having complete sense of accomplishment, contentment, and satisfaction, experiencing this beautiful version of yourself. And as you feel empowered, you can slowly open your eyes.